Jingialehkai King-Lieng Sangah-Maw, Rafting, kala Sdang Khie Rasong Hakilum Garo, na jingmih pyrthei kynhun, Nongal Bibra Tourism Society, East Garo Hills, Nongal Bibra Tourism Society, kabala pynlong yakani Jingialehkai tamasa, sngi kynthih hawa Simsang, kabala Sdang haka arpu tarik Naiwieng. Lapli yakani tamasa King-Lieng Sangah-Maw, da Vibhor Aggarwal, DC East Garo Hills, hakabala donlang ka Babira G Momin, District Sports Officer East Garo Hills, badu Marley Ch Marak, Tourism Officer, bad nongshim bynta hakani Jingialehkai. Vibhor Aggarwal haka jingkren ulaong, jingthmu bakongsan jokani tamasa King-Lieng Sangah-Maw, Rafting, kalong ban pynshlur bad kyntiew yakani Jingialehkai, namar hakilum Garo, dan buon kiwa kipapaka ban pynlong yakani Jingialehkai. Hakini kisau sngi, an Jingialehkai ki Samla nakani distrik ban shim bynta, bad ban penyat yakani Jingialehkai. Haka sngi khadu, an penkut yaka Jingialehkai hathuai kan chusrik, kathuai bajiliu tam habaro kawai ka Meghalaya.
Dek sa reska daw itay kinok daw start ka na miha ikut sanjawa ma
salbo dikit salbo kanjo nang si cepat po woi ya kok sini mina lang kinay hai sampo tak siap ah, malam kayak unang kalahkan. Biar kamu naik orang buat. Main. Orang ya. Pakai dong. Mampu kan? Oh ya, mau kan kita sampai kan? Ya buru, hai. Ini mampu kita mampu. Ya kok jangan siap kan, berempat. Dapat lagi. Dia dah pindah dulu. Gimana? Skat. Nama. Tidak mau bokos, tidak mau jika pakat left side salvo right side nak kurus sekali nih mana support nice buat sila wangi ha ya cibak salbo left side cibak salbo left side cibak salbo left side cibak salbo right side sini dia stuat mo right side sini stuat mo left side sini salbo left side rakhale hai marak hai Samla hai Shillong sini lagi Start.
Good morning to all. So I'm here with our Nongal Bibra Tourism Society, our district sports officer and our tourist officer. So this is a very remarkable day, and as has been pointed out also, a very important moment in the history of East Garo Hills, both in terms of sports as well as for tourism as well. So today a trial run from William Nagar to Nongal Bibra will be done by the Nongal Bibra Tourism Society to explore the rafting course. If it turns out to be successful, William Nagar will also come in the rafting map for the Garo Hills. As we know that very recently only, just 2 years back, the Tourism Society of Nongal Bibra, they started the rafting facilities in the Nongal Bibra area. So they offer both the short courses as well as the long course, which caters to both type of people, for the tourists as well and for the professionals as well, who want to enjoy the river rafting more. So I'm very sure that with the introduction of this new initiative as well, it will boost the tourism of the region to a very great extent, where we can invite not just the rafters from different parts here, but as well as the international rafters as well. So we are already in touch with the Whitewater village as well. They are already conducting annual this river rafting festival, and with collaboration with them, we can invite more international rafters here. So once after that starts, it will not just boost the tourism, but also it will give opportunity for the youth to participate in these rafting events as well. So it will further the sports potential of the region as well. So we will work closely with the tourism society, both from these perspectives, from the perspective of sports as well and from the perspective of tourism as well. I wish them all the best, and I'm very sure that we will concretize this initiative more, and we will try to bring in more support from government from both these perspectives, so that the overall rafting culture in Garo Hills improves, along with the tourism potential.
Matela, dal yan Nongal Bibra Tourism Society ni kita yan salbri walgatam na ya river rafting ko expedition ko dal apa singatinga dal oni de yan kang pada yan William Nagar oni Nongal Bibra na bisong cover ka anggen chongotan ya de trial run sa wainga regular feature de ungja dalo bisong ya ko trial run dakangani somayo biap rangko ba niroro wanggen uni ya chirkamo badia biap rango tourism potential rang dongachem warang ko ba niroro wanggen aru mai activities rang ko dakna mangensem yani true warang ko ba bisong niemengna dakang nagata chanchienga yarangan ya program ni maksongani ungya
nimna ya dal drafting khani jamano river rafting khani jamano successful ode mai nakba initiative changko dakna chanchi
baby kita ya dal trial run ko namirege machodatna gata chusogatna gata mangensem ongode makhangchi changaba tourism department ni kita ungzamaina ba dengthang line department ni kita ungzamaina changaba maksongani rang donga ya tourism industry ko thangdwatna ya chingni district ko ba mengsara wan ongjok dagota ya water based activities rangko jereke nangni river rafting kayaking dakabarangko boating dakabarangko changa nambata gadango nambata service ko tourist rangna nagata changa sanchi samswani rang donga aro makhangchi changa yanda chusokatna mangenchim ongode haida kosak chini ya simsang